it, guys. It's like a strawberry ice cubes that you can put in your water. It was open, so it closed. But let's just get straight on into doing this video. So yeah. So guys, first we get our strawberry. You can use multiple, but this is just an example or how to do it. So you cut the strawberry. I'm probably just gonna use 2. I thought I was gonna use. You cut the strawberry in little pieces, just like so. Don't do that at home, kids. Cut the strawberry in little pieces, just like I'm doing here. Also cut it just like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. See, there's 3. And then you put them in your bowl. And then you just get a couple more till you feel like you're done doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut these. This vlog's gonna be really short, guys, because I really was so distracted tonight. I went outside, because even though it was raining, I still went outside. I talked on the phone, I took a bath. It was just very busy night for me. My Aunt Danny's over till tomorrow night. Tomorrow's Friday, so yeah. So here are the pieces of here, yeah, that I washed them, like I'm doing right over here, washing them, and then I just mix it around, and then I dump the water in there, and then I get my ice cube tray with Keith. You've seen them in a recent vlog. I get my strawberries and I just put them right in these ice cube molds. So that's what I'm doing here. Just doing like one more right there. So that's what I'm doing, and you put water in them. So let me get the water I was using. So you get some water in them. You put some water in each of them, as I am doing here in this example. Oh, just put some water right on in them, and and then you let them freeze, and then they turn out to be, I'll show you out of the mold. So, and then they turn out to be these cute little strawberry ice cubes that you can just put in your cups. And yeah, they're just so cute, and you let the other ones freeze, and they will be so yummy, healthy, especially with some water. And you can do any type of fruit you want. And you can even like do multiple different types of fruits. It's all your choice. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it was like probably like only 2 minutes long, but it was just, I was so busy, as I said. But I will see you guys tomorrow for vlog day 45. I hope you enjoyed the short vlog day 44. But I just love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for vlog day 45. Hope you enjoyed vlog day 44, the short vlog. And yeah, guys, make sure to try this out. I love you guys so much, and peace out. And subscribe and like. No bloopers. Bye, guys.